Tired of workflow emails going to the wrong person because the default user is inactive? Change it in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to update it. Follow these 7 steps. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Quick Settings menu. Then, click on Open Advanced Setup to access the full setup area. In the Quick Find box, type Process Automation to filter the setup options. Now, click on Process Automation Settings from the results. In the settings, type in the default workflow user field. For this example, we'll use a specific user. Then, also type in the Flow Test Coverage Percentage field. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. That's it. Your default workflow user is now set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.